What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So Samsung owners need to jump on this deal right away. If you got a cracked screen, Sprint is going to fix it for $49. Yes, $49 for a screen repair, but it's a catch to it. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Let's talk about this great deal that's coming from Sprint. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So Sprint is fixing Galaxy devices for 49 bucks, but it's a catch. I mean, look, Sprint have been doing a lot of different things in the last year or so to try to get your mighty dollar, to try to get a lot of people to switch to the carriers. But Sprint is doing for limited time only, probably towards the end of February. That is up to. I will leave all the links down in the description below. But for a limited time, you can get your Galaxy device fixed. But it's only limited devices. So if you got a Galaxy S7, Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus, Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9 Plus, Galaxy Note 8, you can get your screen repaired for 49 bucks. Now, a lot of people that got the newer Galaxy devices, like a Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy S10, this will not work for you. But these are for legacy devices, older devices. If you have 49 bucks and you got a cracked device, go on and get it fixed through Sprint. Now, I will leave all the links down in the description below where you can get it done. Now, here's the thing. Sprint trying to do some marketing here, guys. If you got a device that is not on the list, they say they'll kindly take it off your hand with some type of deals here, 150 bucks here and there for qualified devices. They're trying to get you on their networks. I don't have no issues with that. Marketing is always good marketing, try to get people on board, so it's all good. Now, Sprint is not paying me to make this video. I think it's a good deal because we know how much it costs to fix these high-end devices, up until 100 to 200 bucks in some instances to fix your screen. But Sprint is saying, hey, we're gonna fix it for 49 bucks. That's great. Now, remember, Sprint has the Kickstarter program, and this is probably what they're gonna segue in, saying that, hey, we're unable to fix this screen or this device, but we got a $35 unlimited talk, text, and data where we can get you on board here with Sprint. Now, with my experience with Sprint down in the South, it's okay. I don't have any issues with Sprint as far as coverage. So down in the South here, Louisiana, I don't have no problems with Sprint. It's okay. Not the fastest data, not flexible as far as unlocked devices and stuff like that. But it's okay. I mean, it's cheap. 35 bucks is 35 bucks. Wow. I just want to pass this information along because I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh man, let me pop open the camera and tell my community about $49 deal that Sprint is doing. It don't matter what carrier you're on, but it is limited to certain devices as far as Galaxy devices. That's what I'm talking about. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this $49 limited deal from Sprint. $49 limited deal, so you don't have that long to do this. But I think Sprint is doing some fantastic marketing. See you guys on the next video. Peace.